Kii. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this button. On my video. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be doing my face, and then I'm going to try on my 10 lipsticks that I created at home with love, passion, with hard work. I'm either, you know, I was telling my friends, I said either I'm going to have a very strong wrist or I'm going to have carpal tunnel. One of the two is going to happen. Nevertheless, if you guys love it, I'm okay. I'm okay with a little carpal tunnel. I'm okay. Anyways, we want to get into this video. I'm gonna show you how to do my look. Well, actually, I already have my brows done and my eyes. Literally, I just had concealer and do the little wing. These lashes, by the way, these lashes are So Berry Minx. They're called Finesse. They're a little lighter than my usual. Nevertheless, I do love them. Anyways, let's get into this video and I'll see you guys back at the end. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel and moisturize my face. And then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist on a beauty blender and press it into my skin. For primer, I'm going to use the Cover FX Gripping Primer. I really like this because it leaves your face a little tacky, and it allows that foundation to really stick to your face like all day. One of my favorite products right now is the Versace's Holly Eyes Under Eye Cream. It really just kind of gives your under eye like this brightened and this refreshed look, and like I don't go a day without it at this point. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, I have this on. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder in Translucent Deep, and I'm going to press that like on my nose and my T-zone just to kind of control that oil that I have sometimes. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the NARS Sheer Glow in the color New Caledonia, and this is my go-to foundation when I'm not doing a full coverage look. And I just really take my time when I'm blending out my foundation. This is not the time to rush. Make sure you get all your face evenly. Move that hair scarf, get the hairline, and just blend it out, girl. So one of my favorite concealers right now is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I use that in the color Cappuccino, and I just do under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, above my mouth, and my chin. Again, y'all, just take your time when it comes to blending out your concealer. And then I'm going to go in with another concealer that's a little bit lighter. It's the MAC Prep and Prime in the color Deep Dark, and put that right underneath my eyes just to bring a little bit more light to that section, and just blend it on out. And my favorite setting powder right now is the Fenty setting powder. I use the color Honey from Bacon under my eyes and just all the different places that I placed the concealer earlier. So for contour today, I'm going to be using Revolution Makeup Fast Base Foundation Stick in the color F18. And I'm not going to do too hard of a contour today because I'm keeping it kind of chill. And the brush that I'm going to be using is the Real Techniques Contour Brush. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix foundation in the color NW58. And my favorite powder brush, y'all, is the Morphe E58 brush. It's kind of angled so you can get it like all over. And it just presses that powder so well into your skin. Like, I love it. I love it. Get you one. I'm just going to continue with that E58 brush and dust off the rest of the setting powder that I put on my face earlier. And then I'm just going to go back in with my wet beauty blender and just blend everything in, making sure it's all nice and clean. For my under eyeliner, I'm going to use the Maybelline Define a Line in the color Ebony Black, and just pray to God that I don't cry this foundation and concealer off. Guys, when I say this James Charles palette is like my holy grail, I use this thing every day. Like, there's literally nothing you can't do with this palette. But today I'm going to take that brown color on the Morphe M332 brush and just press it underneath my eyes just to add a little bit more depth so I won't just be like blank underneath there, you know. So I'm going to be using the Instant Warmth Bronzer by Fenty in the color Mocha Mami for my blush. I really was hoping that this was going to work for me for a bronzer, but it's still a little too light, but it looks really good as a blush. And I'm going to be taking my Sigma F40 brush to apply it. So I'm going to be taking the Matte Gold Deposits Mineralized Skin Finish on my Morphe M510 brush and using it as my highlight today. As you can see, this is my favorite highlighter because it's bare, empty. Like, yeah, bless your girl with another one. Anyway, so I'm going to take that highlighter and I'm just going to put it on my cheek, my nose, my chin, my lips. I put a little bit on my brow bone. And one thing, y'all, never, ever, ever forget your inner corner highlight. Like, it just seals the deal. So I have this cute little mole that's in my eyelid space that I kind of go back and make more prominent because after eyeshadow and concealer kind of like fades to the back. And I'm using my Epic Ink Liner by NYX, which is my favorite felt tip liner. It's what I use for like all my wings and stuff. So y'all already know it's time to set the face, and I'm going to be using the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray, and it smells so good, and it's really good for locking everything in. That is it, y'all, when it comes to the face. But you know it's time to try these lipsticks on. First color I'm trying on is called Adoration, which is like a nude pink, and like I've been wearing this color almost every day. The next color I'm trying on is called Harmony, and I absolutely love this color, but I love them all, so I'm probably gonna say that every time. The next color is called Passion, which is a beautiful red, because come on, what is a lipstick line without a red? The Next color is called Truth, which is a nice black. And I just want y'all to peep like how pigmented all these colors are. Like, you are gonna pop out no matter which color you put on, okay? This green, it's called Vitality, and you know what? I'm just gonna let it speak for itself. Next we have Radiance, which is a deep burgundy color. Pray for my lips, y'all. Pray for my lips. So I am so in love with this blue right now. It is called Faith, and just look at it. Just look at it. So I named this deep purple color Knowledge. It looks black in it too, but I promise it's purple. So this hot girl pink right here, I named it Focus because when you walk in the room with this on, like, all the focus and attention is bound to be on you, honey. Bound. So the last color in my line, I named it Loyalty. I call this the Kylan purple personally, but I absolutely love it. We made it to the end of this video, y'all. I know. Pray for my lips because, Lord have mercy, I know when y'all put on wipe off, it's a struggle. But anyways, I just wanted to introduce to you all my 10 colors that I created at home, y'all. Like, I put my heart, my soul, my everything, like, in creating this lipstick line for you guys. And it's something I've been talking about for a long time. And I don't know. I do not know what took me so long to do this. Like, before the first piece of makeup that I ever bought was like a stick of lipstick. It was from Black Radiance, and I think it was called like Orchid or something like that. I literally still have like the tube that I bought, and I think I was about a sophomore in college, so I want to say it was 2013. Yeah, I bought my first stick of lipstick, or tube of lipstick. And so it's only natural, and I've always been in love with lipstick. Before I even started wearing makeup, I would just have lipstick on like every day, like not gloss, y'all, lipstick, okay? So I don't know. And then even in my logo, I told him to make the eyes. When the guy was creating it, I told him, hey, make the eyes lipsticks, not thinking any more about it except for like eyes kind of can look like lipstick tubes, you know. And so I feel like this whole thing was written in the cards for me from like the very beginning. So I'm like, you know, why not? Like, if you love it, people will love it. The people who love you will support you, and people who don't know you will support you as well. And God just continued to like put that into my heart and my spirit. And so I said, well, okay, the longer I ignore and feel disobedient to you, like the longer that I'm gonna block like my blessings to your obedience and stuff like that. And so here I am. I have created my lipstick line. It has 10 colors. I tried them all on for you guys. I'll be posting pictures of them. They are available for purchase. You guys can Follow me on social media, DM me, message me, and I'll get those things to you. I am based in St. Louis, but I do ship to people worldwide. Few things to know about my lipsticks are they are all vegan. They use no animal byproducts. If I couldn't pronounce it, I did not put it in my lipstick. I really like the base of this and the formula of it. I really took a lot of my time out and just read about different ingredients and what works well with other things and stuff like that. And so everything, if they feel so buttery, it's so smooth. People told me, girl, I done had this on all day and it didn't look good. They're long lasting. And don't get me wrong, guys, I'm continuing to, as I move into this, I'm going to continue to grow my bases. I'm going to come out with glosses, I'm coming out with more mattes, just all that kind of thing. So just definitely be in the lookout for more and more. I sell them for $15 a piece, and you get a 7 milliliter tube of product for $15, or I'm selling them 2 for $25. 10 beautiful colors. Anyways, what else do you guys need to know? I make these all by hand from scratch. These are not crayon lipsticks, okay? It's not that's not what this is, okay? This is the real deal, Holyfield. So I have the 10 codes that I've created. I've named them all. We have passion, loyalty, focus, adoration, harmony, vitality, radiance, truth, knowledge, and I think I probably missed one in there somewhere. Focus, passion, yeah. And the reason I gave these names to these different lipsticks is because I feel like all of these are qualities of a person who is going to move higher in their lives. Qualities of a person who is just upright. They're necessary in everything you do. It's necessary to bring the truth to everything. It's necessary to be loyal, to have your focus. Okay, I like the word harmony, which just what happens to be the brown color. I named this brown color harmony because within our community as brown sisters, they try to break us and pull us apart and have us fighting each other. But if we had harmony within each other, if we work together and strive together, we could be bigger and better. And that's the thing that they don't, and that's the thing that we don't understand. The reason why we are broke down so hard is because they know that when we get together and we go in and we support one another and we build up each other, we will do so many things. They are fearful of what women can do when we work together instead of trying to tear each other down. So all these different names, they have meaning to me. The black is called truth. The red is called passion. What is life? What can you attain if you're not passionate about it? Yeah, I'm telling you, I put a lot of heart and soul and thought into all this. So I hope you guys enjoy these lipsticks like I have. I'm working on my website. I'm trying to get 100% official, and I keep pushing it back, pushing it back, because I'm trying to make sure everything is perfect. But honestly, what is perfection? So anyways, I gotta go because I'm running late as usual. But thank you guys. I know y'all girl, you ain't been on YouTube in 7 months. I know, but I am about to start back. I'm about to get on my grind. I'm about to be 25 next month. So it's my new year. I celebrate New Year's on my birthday. That's my new year. So I got a lot of things to plan for you guys. As far as YouTube, as far as makeup, as far as vlogging, just a whole bunch of things. So stay tuned. In order for you to stay tuned, you know what you need to do? You know what you need to do? You need to go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can always know when I post.